Let's discuss the amazing health benefits of tomato juice. First, tomato juice is a good source of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. They contain good levels of vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, manganese, vitamin K, and more. It is also a great source of antioxidants and contains fiber. In addition to its high levels of nutrients, tomato juice is an antioxidant powerhouse. It is packed with potent and unique antioxidants that can provide many health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and reducing risk factors of certain chronic diseases. Tomato juice contains antioxidants such as lycopene, narogenin, beta-carotene, chlorogenic acid, vitamin C, and more. Tomato juice is also heart healthy and can help to reduce risk factors of heart disease. Studies have shown that tomato juice and tomatoes can help to reduce bad LDL cholesterol while also promoting the health of our blood vessels and arteries. Tomato juice also contains heart-healthy nutrients such as lycopene, potassium, and fiber. Lastly, consuming tomato juice can help to improve the overall health and look of our skin.